How to remove business portfolio on Facebook Meta Business Suite. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Meta Business Suite, log into your account. At the left side, you'll find Settings. Click on Settings. Then at the top, click on Business Portfolio, which is above Users. Then at the right side, you'll find Permanently Delete Business. Simply click on Permanently Delete Business. After that, as you can see, here's what will happen when you delete. There are all page, ad account, and tools added to the business will be deleted. Any access to another business assets or any permission you share with another business will be removed. Click on Delete Portfolio and you're good to go. This is how to remove business portfolio on Facebook Meta Business Suite. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.